Good manufacturing practices, GMPs, are a set of guidelines that help ensure the safety and quality of products by preventing mistakes and contamination. GMPs are plant-wide practices that apply to all employees, including production, maintenance, management, and visitors. GMPs cover a range of topics, including quality control. GMPs include rigorous quality control measures, such as equipment calibration and validation, to ensure product consistency. Personnel, GMPs cover topics such as cleanliness, hand washing, and jewelry. Facilities, GMPs cover the design of facilities and equipment, including the use of non-porous materials that can be easily cleaned and sanitized. Testing, GMPs include testing finished products to ensure they perform as expected and are free of design flaws. Record keeping, GMPs include record-keeping requirements. Validation, GMPs include validation experiments that must be properly documented and performed on qualified equipment.